How to make a rice using a microwave. Fast, quick, easy, and simple. 1:1 ratio rice to water. 1 microwave safe dish. Add salt and oil. Mix them. Put it in the microwave covered. And then put in time for 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Just a reminder, each rice has different cooking time. This one is jasmine rice. After 8 minutes and 30 seconds, let it inside the microwave covered and add 10 minutes and let it there for 10 minutes so the rice can get rid of all the extra moisture. And now you get a very nice fluffy rice that you can enjoy quickly in the microwave.